All right, we're live. Man, I am the quarterback of this goddamn show. I've turned up. That's what producer just said to me too. Turned up, ready to go. KBM's suddenly his kids going nuts. Cougars, MIA, OSF. OSF we get once in a blue moon anyway. So I was like, who is dependable? Who is got a face for TV? And then Trader Main couldn't make it either, so we got Wizard of Soho.
Oh, you got me on that one. That was good. Nice setup.
Good to have you, man. I know you do your FOMC stream as well today, so I guess you're set up for that. But what have you been doing before? You look decked out in Yeet merch. You got just unbelievable amounts of Yeet merch compared to me. So were you playing golf just now? I know you got a bit of a golf.
No. It's like fucking like 20 inches of snow outside. But I haven't worn this because I was just checking the sizing and I was trying it on and I was like, you know what? Mando's gonna be on stream, might as well, represent.
Love it. I fucking love it, man. You do look good. You're representing. Is that Rekt as well? Is that Rekt gear as well? Or is that
no? It's Manners. That's like the golf brand.
Yeah.
So it's there's no Rekt. I do have Rekt right here though.
Me too, man. You got Pudgies, you got Rekt, you got Yeet. Wow, you're
showing love to all the homies. Yeah, we got.
You're gonna do well.
Decked up all over. Some Labubu, rare Labubus.
Rare Labubus. Wow.
Yeah. I gotta set up this properly, the LED sign up top somewhere. But
yeah, go join Weekly Wisdom, folks. I actually put out that tweet today, which was like the best traders on, because I used to have this Twitter list which had probably 50 traders on it, 100 traders, and I realized that just like everyone's just not here anymore. Everyone's just like left. And I was like, who are good ones to follow now? And your name came up a lot, actually, as did a lot of the people in the Weekly Wisdom community. I think you guys have got under you, there seems to be a pretty stacked analyst list, right?
Yeah, we got good people.
So
ICO Beast, what did he say? I see Keyboard Monkey a lot too.
Yeah, I think people just like his tweets, so to speak.
Yeah, but he puts stuff out, I think that's what's important. Like, yeah, look, again, Keyboard Monkey. I think that matters a lot. Yeah, Trader Main for sure. I think if you're putting out, oh wow, damn, there is a lot of me. Tip Wheeler, that's awesome. It doesn't make any sense. Definitely in the Clemente. Clemente's a good inverse signal. Oh, that's nice to see. Yeah, people look at. I think anybody who posts consistent trades, like Keyboard, Easy. Easy posts a lot too. I think that's what really matters. If you're posting consistently, I think regardless of you're doing, you don't have to be overly good. I think that's what sometimes people forget, that people will pick a guy who hit one big trade, and then but you'll remember them for that, and it's that's really not. Look at you over there, Mando, all five. I think people kind of miss the point sometimes. It's not really I think people expect a 95, 90, 85% hit rate. If you have a 70% hit rate on Twitter for some reason, you're just trash. Whereas if you were a hedge fund, you'd be one of the top hedge funds in the world. If you have a 70% hit, you were talking 60 to 65%. You're talking top 25 hedge fund in the world all time, and with some risk management, you're top 10. So,
Ansem, for example, I think has had some very good calls, and then more recently has been way more mixed. People just like that he puts his views out there. This is what I think. This is why it's rational. This, that, and the other. They will respect you almost if you take a call and then you kind of own it. Sometimes even more than if you're right. As long as you can say this isn't a validation of my trade, XYZ. You're not just sitting there going have two tweets and then delete the one that's.
Yeah. Well, I think that's a good point. As long as you have a key view and it's okay to have the right trade and doing that. I think that's what people mess up a lot. But in addition to that, on in CT, you cannot be bearish. Because if you're bearish and wrong, you're fucked. But if you're bullish and wrong, you have like 20, 30 like chances, right?
Mm.
If you're gonna come out bearish, like you need to have like 95% hit rate. And it needs to be like now. Like if you say, okay, we're going to 77K and we're at 115K, it needs to happen in 24 hours or you're fucked. Like if you have even one 15-minute candle that's green, like
Yeah.
fucking garbage, you don't know shit. Like that's the thing, because like the time span that people view, like they're watching like 5-minute, 10-minute candles, right? Not like daily, weekly. Like Ansem had a good overall call on we've kind of found like a local top at that, like 110K, 115K area. But then we dumped and then pumped again. We were like, yo, you fuck,
Yeah.
like that's okay. Like, have you heard of bear market rallies? I mean, in
Yeah.
hindsight, it worked out, but I think that's going to be a big education for a lot of people on Twitter, is figuring out what really means to be a good trader. It's really more about long-term consistency, and you have to put a lot out. It can't be like you do like one trade every 3 months and like you're right, or you just wait till you're right. You know what I mean? It needs to be like, which is why I picked, like, you put a lot of information out, also because you're on a lot of like streams and you put info on Twitter. Easy puts a lot. Trader Main puts a lot of charts. But yeah, you got keyword monk. You fucking put 5,000 trades a day. Both
Yeah.
like, but it's like you catch one tweet and you're like, wait, what just happened? You're like, yo, I already flipped, turned 2x your net worth. I'm long now.
I think, yeah. Look, I think crypto right now, I have to say that I don't think the opportunity set is that good. Like if I was top down looking at crypto, and I was saying this today even on the daily stream that I do, like I think you almost have to rank the market by how good the opportunity set is, and then the individual trades in that opportunity set. So like trades that you might like right now are like ETH looks a little bit strong, Fartcoin looks a little bit strong. Zcash is bouncing back from a really bad wick down. But these aren't trades. These are like bounce back trades. Do you know what I mean? It's not like, hey, ETH's going to 50K or like Bitcoin's going to $1 million. It doesn't feel like that right now. And I think that can be a really dangerous time to be like, get bored and put on massive size and just be like, look, I need to trade this like 2% wick, and you can get really screwed. Like this looks like a pretty horrific candle. Like we've
Bro,
got a,
that looks like it's ready for another like leg
yeah,
down.
we've got a sideways chop, probably looking for another retest of that 80K. Lucky hitting like slightly higher highs, I would say. Maybe not. This is a daily, right?
Yeah.
This is a 4 hour.
If you're lucky, you get that 80K retail. Well, I'm very confident. I was talking about that yesterday too in Weekly Wisdom. Like, if you just, I mean, I'm not even a TA guy, but if I was just watching this, like, you like zoom out more.
Dude, we're 100% getting an 80K.
Yeah, like come on. Like if you saw this, you don't even know nothing about crypto. Like
Yeah.
I feel like if you just are like a mega bias, you'd be like, oh, we're just gonna go straight to Altahama. Like, no. Like if you watch something like this, just look at everything from before. Like you're gonna retest. Like even if you look at that little one before, what is that, April? Right?
Yeah.
We have a very similar pattern. Dump down, move back up, and then to the new low, built there, and then back up. So, which makes sense. I mean, I don't see why you would not. I mean, you're gonna see tax profit taking. You're gonna see New Year profit. Like stocks and everything are up so much. There's gonna be people are gonna take profits on that either by year end, or like if anything's bad, like they're not up a lot or they're flat, or if you're down, you're gonna lock that tax benefit in by end of this year. And then in the new year, the first week or something, you're gonna be clicking all like the stuff you're positive PNL on for next year, so you can lock that in for bonuses and your audits and stuff like that. But something like this, I mean, yeah, if Powell comes out today swinging, I mean, that
Even then, like,
chat more about that, but
like
I don't know. I see 77 to 80K coming back.
It needs that. Do you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
it needs to have a retest of that to show that it's a really strong bottom, in my opinion. So even if you're bullish, you kind of need that to happen. Even if it's like a wick down and we have a strong bounce back, like I just see
that'd be ideal. That's actually what you'd want to see. Because if it doesn't wick back up, then you're fucked.
Yeah. So yeah, my view on this is that I am, since we broke below 100 and that like 50-week moving average, or I've been more cautious on the market and just been like, but I also think the opportunity set is just like not been that great. There was that bottom at 80, which maybe you bought. Even then, it looked like it could smash through that at the time. So I didn't go massive into that. I waited until it bounced a little bit. But yeah, my gut here is that this is just a really dangerous market to have a view, because like the bulls are saying we're going to hit 100K. 100K is like 8%, dude. Like who gives a shit? Do you know what I mean? Yeah. It's like, don't risk your portfolio on that. Like it's
scalp, maybe like I would take a 98K scalp trade.
Yeah.
But even that, like, it's like where, like now you're in no man's territory at 92K, right? Like,
well,
like it's really 50-50 here.
I actually think the trade here, like that 94.5K level, 94K level, which is the yearly open, and has been I actually think we're seeing a lot of supply there. So I actually think the risk reward is probably on big, anything above like 92 to, let's say 92.5 to 94K, I think is a short, because I think the risk reward there is that like it does have that dump at that 90 from that 94.5K level.
It's a big seller there.
Yeah, it just seems like that's just like a level that we've hit a few times. So like a risk reward, I would look at that as, right, so it's 92.5K now. It's 2% against you if it moves. So you set your stop at like 95 actually. So let's say it's 3%. Yeah. And if not, then it goes down to 88 or potentially 80K. That's like, that's a good R trade, right? Like that's like a 2R or 4R sort of trade. So like, and you have a clear invalidation. So I would look for trades like that, where it's, you not necessarily have to have a huge view on the direction. It's just like the risk reward of a certain trade looks okay at a certain level, in my opinion. Those are the trades I'm looking at right now.
I mean, the only upside I would say here, like, I would say is like, yeah, we could like run a test to 98K, which is like the next big like resistance level. Especially because it's chopping in this 92 to 94K area for a while now. But I think it's really gonna depend on actually, I don't even know if today really matters that much.
I don't think it is. I was talking to, again, on the Daily Show, and I was saying, look, I think they rolled out that guy Hassett yesterday, who's going to be the new Fed chair, right? Yeah. And then Trump was speaking about it too. It's very clear that every single time that Jerome Powell speaks, they're going to roll this guy out like the day before to like do a fucking presser, and basically have his view on stuff. It's kind of funny here. So I think people will care what Jerome Powell says, but like he's got 3 or 4 more FOMCs. I reckon everyone's just going to be like, yeah, they'll look through it pretty soon. I think they'll be like, this Hassett guy's going to come in and like cut rates aggressively, and no doubt by like March, that's going to be, no one's going to be paying attention to Powell. Like, no doubt in my mind.
No, I think that's pretty on my timeline. Like, my view is that we'll chop here. Maybe we get like a little Powell pump if he comes aggressively dovish. Otherwise, I think we push. Like we're gonna dump into January, February, and then March we'll start climbing back up. I think we're definitely gonna get entry points cheaper than here across the board. Question is, what do you add on these days?
Man. I want to buy Farcoin. For some reason, this coin just looks like it's fucking.
Well, yeah, I guess the whole Vintamute thing, right? Like they dumped everything. That's a nice little narrative. Yeah,
that's
I don't know.
The one thing I'm looking at right now, which looks very strong. ETH, weirdly, like I don't really like.
Dude, ETH looks great. What do you like? At least last few days. Yeah, it's also because Farouk's boy is like buying, right?
So it looks like his MNAV is one of the only ones still above 1, so he's still buying. But my view is that ETH was like a massive DAT trade, and that the DAT trade was like reversing. So I don't know if like an ETH rally. ETH ain't gonna lead this market.
Like 38, I think is like was my short-term view.
Yeah, 38. I do agree it could easily hit that. I'm way more likely that ETH would hit 3,800 than I think Bitcoin hits 98 or 97. Like my view,
I agree with that.
Looks, the chart looks really bad. It's fucking Solana. Bring up the zoom Solana chart. Like, oh, here he is. We got Kook on the show, guys.
Let's go, baby. Oh my God, that's Solana.
That's put in a lower high, and you zoom out and put it on like the weekly.
Oh God.
Am I here? Am I in?
Look at this.
You're in.
This thing looks like it's at support, sitting there. If that drops below, it's like fucking goblin time right there for the soul.
But what's the lows? Like, where do you load up on this? Like 80 or 110 or 100?
Well, under 100 for me. I haven't bought any Sol.
Yeah,
I wouldn't buy it till under 100. But I think it's fine long term. Like, this was a different type of event when it went to 8, right? Like with the FTX thing.
Yeah.
Now it's a mainstay. I think it's the winning alt chain. Like general alt chain.
The one thing I was looking at here is they do have a vote right now, which is I think in like discussion to reduce the inflation at Solana. So it's not something like they're going to reduce it like by a lot. So maybe the intern can bring that one up, but like just type in Sol emission, and this could happen any day. Like it's actually in like the final stages of it. So here we go. Solana devs propose something big, doubling the disinflation rate so the network reaches its 1.5 terminal inflation rate twice as fast. They tried to do this earlier in the year and they failed, but like apparently this time there's a much higher chance of this happening. I think that's the sort of thing where you get all the fucking shorts just get blown out. So like I don't even know if I want to short Solana here because this could happen.
No, there's no RR. Why would you short?
Because it looks horrific.
It looks shit, but that means like it could just stay shit in this bandwidth.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean it's gonna go to $80.
That's it. That's actually my view here is that if you want to short anything, I would just short Bitcoin. Because I just think that altcoins, they can be really fucking dangerous on a headline here. And
there's a lot of idiosyncratic risk with altcoins, right? Like you could get some localized shit and you're like, fuck, you know.
Like Solana might look terrible, and then they announce this, and everyone goes like, "Oh my god, this is like incredible!" Like blow out all the shorts, and it just goes to like 150, 160, 170 in a 100%. And you're just like, "Oh fuck!" So I don't think that happens with Bitcoin at any stage. You know what I mean?
There's nothing there. There's no real like Bitcoin's only catalyst is really just overall macro catalyst, right? Like there is what like the government says we're gonna start like a TWAP program of 500 billion a month. Like, you know, I don't know. Like that's kind of all. Like what else is like if you are I mean, yeah, we think like as the market and everything grows, Bitcoin will go up, and 100%. But if you're looking for an outperformance trade, like remember, Bitcoin is down on the year right now, right? Which is like disgusting. So that like, what's your outperformance trade? Like, what causes Bitcoin to outperform? Like, maybe a big influx of cash into the into just all money supply. Rates going lower, sure. Or just some, you know, goodbye gift from Trump saying we're just gonna start a buy program, but you probably need congressional approval for something like that, but maybe he sneaks it in.
What about portfolio rebalancing? Like BTC will become part of like the target portfolio mix for every plan in the world. It'll start at like 1%. It'll go to 2 or 3%. Like I think there'll be like a endless rebalancing swap into Bitcoin. I don't know. Like that's not
well. Okay, fine. So the index trade is interesting. Yeah. Okay, that's very similar. Like to the government buying, right? Like it'll be if every real money fund. So we're talking like pension funds. I mean, you'd have to change an index. I don't think they'd change an index, but it would be more. That'd be interesting because for you. So most real money funds, the way they invest is they mimic an index. So you'd have to have a change in index, or they're like, okay, tracking error of this index is X. I'm gonna add Bitcoin to my index within the tracking error to maybe
But
potentially
they
get.
make the index. Like BlackRock makes the indexes often. So like they will be
Okay,
like,
but it's not that simple, right? So BlackRock, it's independent. Like BlackRock has an index division that's like Chinese walled to their real money account. So if they have, say, um, like I'm trying to think what index it could even go in.
they make like a cross asset index.
No, they just
Okay,
make
fine. Let's
they
take
just
that.
make IBIT like a part of the target balance portfolio, let's say.
Okay,
And
no,
it's a
but that's what
bigger
I mean.
part
Like
of like
which portfolio?
My other, I mean, like for example, if you have a pension fund, they'll often say, "Would you like to have a cross asset
Yeah.
allocation?"
Okay. So cross asset like allocation, right? Yes. Yeah. You could make the bet that you see even like 1 to 2% of cross asset allocation. You're talking maybe total 25 to 30 billion over the next 5 years.
But we haven't seen that. What we
No,
have,
but I'm saying that's your speculation.
but right
Is that
now,
enough?
what's been
For
interesting,
remember, I'm talking about outperformance. Is that enough to outperform everything else?
like if I'm going to share my screen now in turn, but this is the Bitcoin ETF flow. You can see it here over the last few months. Like this has not been that good. Like it's actually been pro-cyclical, as in like the inflows have fallen as we've gone down. Like as opposed to other markets, like often you see inflows start to pick up as something drops. What my increasing view about this is it's a completely new buyer base, and everyone got really bullish about that, myself included. But they don't have probably the same level of conviction as the sellers. It's a different buyer base in that it's often longer term capital, but I don't think they have the same level of conviction. And I think what we're basically seeing here is like a test of, and this is also kind of partly the DATs, just like, is the new money that's been buying Bitcoin actually here to stay or not? Like, or is it just going to like diminish? Because we've actually seen outflows from the Bitcoin ETF in this dip. That surprises me. Like you would assume that people would come in and buy the dip. If this was tech funds, retail funds would be seeing massive inflows, I think, at this sort of time, right?
But how much of this I wonder is also a function of like basis unwinds?
That's a very fair point. So I don't know. I don't know about
I don't
that.
know either. Yeah,
But
like I wonder, like, yeah, if you can like match it up to figure out what the true inflow and outflow is, I think that would be a great data point. Because like I don't know half the time. Yeah, like is it like a basis trade that's just getting unwound that we're seeing outflow or inflow net? But like what's the other side?
I don't know. I don't know that. But what I would just say is my increasing view is that not that Bitcoin is bad and that these people won't buy it, but like, do they have the same level of conviction as some of these OG whales that have been fucking dumping? They have been dumping all year. And there's lots of different reasons why, like people say it's the 4-year cycle. People say it's everything becoming more corporate. People say it's quantum threat, that it's privacy. It's all, this.
Also, people are up, man. The people selling are up from like $5 to 5 billion. Like a lot of people had 100K target like 10 years ago. They're like, bro, I'm good.
Again, I put out a tweet like that over the weekend, just being like, why do you think crypto prices suck? Because they're like, traditionally the stuff that we've done to evaluate this is, it's global liquidity, it's gold, it's stocks, and we just fucking suck compared to all of them right now. So like, why do they suck? And it does feel like it's kind of what you just said. It's just that prices went up 10x. This is what Ansem said. Prices went 10x in 2 years, and now there's more aggro sellers and buyers. Like it is that simple. Right now, I just think that the buyers are not as aggressive as the sellers, and they don't care as much as the sellers do.
I mean, that sometimes the simple answer is what was their tweet up there? Was that Screaming Eagle?
No, that was about Rekt. Somebody else asked where can I buy the apple?
I think 7-Eleven and what is Screaming Eagle the wine? Is that a store?
Store, yeah.
Oh wow. I mean, honestly, sometimes the simple answer is the answer. Like, yeah, people, the OG. So that's the thing. Like all these OGs have to be unwound before we can have the next leg up, right? Like if you have this permanent TVOP from OGs happening, and it's not like tiny amounts, right? Like these guys got fucking firepower from day one. So you're seeing this like at 94K, 102K. You saw these guys just start like infinite TWOPs at these key levels. And like a lot of them are not even being that smart. They're just like, okay, offer every time you get there, offer. So they don't even care about slippage and stuff. Some do, some are transferring to Coinbase and their desk and using them to unwind, but some I think are just straight up like just offer on a key level. So I think until you see a good chunk of them out, or you have to dump enough for the risk reward to come back. Like, why would you buy something that's down on the year? Unless it's down a lot, then you're like, okay, maybe I'll dip in now because it's down a lot. I have some upside. But if it's an asset that's flat on the year, and then you have stocks that's just, especially AI and stuff, that's just like starting its bubble up, and you got Nvidia just crushing. Like, why would you allocate assets to crypto right now? Like I think for crypto to move, you really need way lower for people to come in on the dip buy, or you just need a ridiculous amount of credit and capital come into the ecosystem where all these larger blue chip stocks are just have no returns left. Like bonds have no returns, stocks have no returns, and you're like, okay, I need to take more risk to try and make my returns on the year. And that's when you start seeing that risk premium come back in to the lower assets. Like there's no risk premium. Why would I ever buy something so risky? Right? Like I need that to come back in. And right now the Fed's taken away all the risk premia in the ecosystem by keeping rates this high. I mean, that's basically, their MO, right? Like that's how they keep the inflation lower. Like they're just taking all the risk premia out. But yeah, the risk premia comes back into ecosystem, boom. It's going to be a fucking skyrocket. All this dog shit that we have for Bitcoin, all is going to go through the roof. Like, yeah, you need that. Otherwise, it's just sand getting pushed around,
which it
in
is
crypto. That's all it's been the last 2 years.
I also think that that's not a terrible time for trades to happen. Sometimes the biggest, like those bear market rips in an altcoin where everyone realizes, fuck, I've been in the bear market and I've missed the one runner, and they just fucking go because everyone shoves like their sand into that.
Oh yeah.
Crypto
is a great example of that, right? In the 2022, like great example. That's what everybody did. People were like just dumping anything and everything. They're like
Zcash.
Zcash is another example of this.
Yeah, Zcash, good, nice little bullshit narrative.
Maybe there was some new capital coming in there, but like there are some, when you see it
getting pushed for sure. Zcash.
It's fucking. It just feels like, oh my god, everyone. I've fucking been here for what 12 months, 11 months. I haven't made any money, and now there's this one runner that's done a fucking 10x. Like it's
crazy to have a 10x on a asset that big.
Yeah. What do you think, Kook? How you been doing in this market?
I haven't been doing much, man. I think it's extremely boring. It's not my kind of market. I'm not really like a huge leverage trader, so I'm not really like trading many of these moves. I've just been DCAing Bitcoin, man. BTC hype, wait for something to show up. I think that crypto is just a war of attrition. Like you just have to stay alive and stay around, and you'll catch something. Like I'm waiting for the glimmer of the next meme super cycle. Not memes, but like hot asset super cycle, whatever it's going to be. I've been trading more stocks than crypto, man.
I know. On Hyperliquid, is that by any chance?
Actually, I've traded the equity perps quite a bit. It's really fun. Not like nothing meaningful, but like I have an account where I just only trade equity perps. Yeah. The XYZ markets, and it's really cool. I love it. I traded the NVIDIA earnings. It's like, I think that when someone has the right UX UI, like it's going to be an app. I like Dreamcash for this. It's actually pretty fun, but something more specific for like equity retail degens, like the Wall Street Bets crowd. But these guys love to just hammer option lottos, right? Like especially around earnings.
Yeah.
And yeah, so do I, right? It's sick. I love it. Actually, NVIDIA earnings, I sold calls and I was long the perps. And then as soon as the numbers came out, I closed the long, shorted. Like the equity perps are cool because, yeah, like a 24/7 market, and you can trade the same earnings.
Can you trade the option? There's no options though on these on the 24/7.
No, there's no options. Like on the Trade XYZ market on Hyperliquid, they have 10x perps.
Yeah.
All the Mag 7. Yeah, no, that's what I mean. So that's where it improves for a degen, like for a stock degen. You're totally just like locked out, right, of the options market till the next morning, and then you're going to lose all the time.
Yeah, that's exactly what I mean. Yeah,
that's why I like to sell. Like I like to sell the options, and if I'm going to long or like make a trade, the equity perps kind of fit in well there.
Yeah,
so
good trade.
That's pretty cool. I really like those equity perps. I think the market for those is huge, but it'll take a while to catch on.
Dude, isn't it crazy volume though? I like it's Hyperliquid volume on these things are like through the roof.
Yeah, it's crazy actually because they just activated like growth mode and they lowered the fees 90% or something. So it's basically free. Like the fees are really, really low. A lot of the other HIP3 markets, like they're really thin volume, but all the XYZ ones on like basically the Mag 7 and the NASDAQ index, which they're calling the XYZ 100, volume is great. It's sick. But as far as actual crypto, man, I haven't done much. I just DCA hype, DCA Bitcoin. But I don't know. There's not much to trade.
Pull up that hype chart.
Hype looks like garbage, but I just
Yeah, I was trying to figure out where to go back in.
Yeah,
that does not look great either.
It does not look
under
great.
30. I've been buying heavy.
I mean
like
I guess this is like a big support level.
It's a big support level.
But like 16 to 20, I feel like it's gonna come there.
I mean, even in this market, they're making $2.5 million a day in fees.
Oh,
and so it's like it's detached from
fundamentals. How much has it come down?
It was about 5 to 10 in when it was.
The peak was 5 to 10.
Yeah, I think it was like a little over 12 on the liquidation day in October.
Yeah.
But yeah, 5, 6, 7, like when the market was really cooking.
So we're 50%.
I have to say, I thought that they would just restake all this, but I think the thing that people didn't get there is that a lot went to core contributors rather than to the team.
Yeah.
I think the team actually restaked a large bit of theirs, but core contributors, I don't know who they were, but I think I can have a guess who the core contributors were to Hyperliquid, and they have not staked. Yeah, were you not a core contributor?
Yeah,
you were. So did you not get a fucking massive unlock?
Yeah.
Okay, so those are the people that I would imagine haven't restaked their hype, right?
Oh, I see what you mean. Okay, I
bunch
thought you
of
said
KOLs,
various actors.
No.
Okay.
I mean, like a bunch of KOLs who have been.
Oh yeah.
Got a bunch of hype, and then they've come and sold, right? So I think it's not. People are like accusing almost Jeff of being the seller here, and actually, I don't think it is. I think
I don't think. What is it, like 4 or 5 people on the actual team? That's
11.
it, right?
There's 11, I think.
Oh, there's 11. Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah. It's not that that's.
I mean, a lot of people who got like the OG airdrop too, like a lot of them never sold, and like now they are.
Yeah.
And, like that's a lot. Like you need 1-2% to move it like significantly. Like if you have 5% of allocation selling, like that's like a 30% dump easy, maybe more.
Someone also said that it's been a year since that airdrop as well, which means capital gains is different in the US.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, long term.
Yeah. It was like the 19th or something, or 23rd, like TGE anniversary. So I think it's like the sentiment bottom between the team selling more than people expected, even though Jeff locked most of it up and they sold most of it OTC. Nothing happened on the TGE anniversary. No announcement, no second season, no airdrop. There was a lot of speculation about another airdrop. And then just the general cooling off of the crypto market. But I think it whipsaws back. I don't know when.
This second airdrop thing, what do you guys view on it?
Well, they got 40% of the supply still for community and rewards in the tokenomics. It's like 42% or something.
They did restart the points though, right?
No, they refreshed the page.
Yeah.
But there's no points, no details, nothing. So I figure they're doing something. I think like I am heavily.
They just also gave an NFT, like that was a fat check too.
They finally dropped the NFT, but I think
where are they now? Those NFTs,
NFTs
Cooker buy like fucking tons of them or something. I remember him.
15 grand or something, and I think they were 50 when he bought them. They're down a lot, man. They went down.
What are they at? God damn. Dude, they made like a nice rare run with like a wizard hat. Like it was like top 15 rarity. It's so nice. What is it? Oh damn, wasn't these like 8,000 hype?
They were worth a lot at the top. I remember that.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking cry.
Saying this was like his trade of the fucking year. Like this was gonna be it.
Oh, that sucks, bro.
Was I? No, I bought
No, Cooker. You know that?
Oh, Cooker, yeah.
Oh, Cooker did. Cooker. He bought a lot of top.
He bought like
it's
50
millions.
Like
he bought like almost $1 million worth. I feel bad. Cooker's been on a little bad streak. I actually feel.
Shout out Cooker.
Yeah, I feel bad. He's a good guy, but you know,
has he been on? I haven't been following, but is he been?
Well, you know that big liquidation in the that like he said he lost like every levered position. He had like the mega Aster position. He lost millions on it.
Wow.
I mean, he was pretty public about it, and then obviously he bought like $1 million worth. But I mean, I'm sure he's still cooking. Obviously, like he's done really well over the year. I'm sure he clipped. The worst I feel is for Bonk
Guy. The other day, didn't he?
What?
Yeah, Bonk. I like Bonk Guy, man.
I like Bonk Guy, but he's he lost everything.
He took a fucking L. Yeah, I know. I had like all in good fun, right? It's memes, like the meme super cycle. We were very often kind of supporting different coins. He was a big Bonk launchpad guy, and like me and him were back and forth, all in good fun, like a few times. But I respect him. You don't want to see that shit happen to anyone. He's a Chad, and I hope he's back stronger, man. But like,
bro, 1 year he held those positions.
It's been a while since we got the white whale, right?
Is that confirmed? God. I heard about that.
We need to.
No, he's not the white. He is not the white whale. There's no chance.
He sold his account. It does feel like he sold his account, doesn't it?
Dude, the white whale, the meme coin was fucking hilarious. I sold it like no position, but
from the depths.
The memes, man. Oh, with Hitler and like just the shit that those guys were cooking up, the real like trench goblins, it was amazing. And then he was getting mad about it. He's like, this picture is 100% fake, and it's like his anamorphic whale in the library, like pulling out Mein Kampf. He's like, just to confirm, this is 100%. Yeah, it's a fucking alien whale in a library reading Hitler, bro. Of course.
Yeah, I think it's a fake. Don't worry. You brought him up on this show back when he was on his way to like the 100 million challenge, right? And he was up 50 million.
Yeah, before he lost I think he lost 65 or something, 67. Like,
oh, he's doing like a James Wynn thing. Maybe I missed this when I was in Miami. I don't know.
The white whale lost a ton of money, dude. Like,
yeah, he was on the come up. Like he was up over 60 mil on Hyperliquid. He was like top 10 or top 5 on the leaderboard. And he came out of nowhere on CT and was like with that hilarious cartoon whale. Actually, when it first started, and I think when I brought him up, he hadn't created that character yet. He was just called the white whale. But then he created this ridiculous CGI character.
Wynn lost what, 100 million?
From the
Wynn lost 100, yeah.
Yeah, this guy lost similar.
But Wynn lost it because he's a clown. Like the white whale got liquidated in Binance Armageddon, but
yeah.
Similar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then there was a really fucking hilarious meme coin launched about him last week, which is dead now. I don't buy it now, but it's pretty funny.
He got the money back from Mexi though, right?
Yes.
I think so.
He got the money back a while ago. Dude, when he got the money back, he created like a full-on like CGI trailer of him as that white whale character, like going and fighting a big monster that was Mexi in like a dungeon. And there's all these degens around in the video, and they're all cheering. Like, it's so gay. Like, it's like boomer cringe, but it's so like far out there that it's cool again. You know?
I think that he was always going to get a meme about him if he's doing that sort of shit, right?
Yeah.
We should get him on the show. I wonder if he'd ever come to Rekt Radio.
I would love to talk to him.
Bro, Coinbase really marked the fucking top with buying up only, didn't they? Who the fuck is watching crypto media at this point? Oh.
That was a pretty big top signal when you look back. Whenever you look back at some of these things, it's just like so obvious.
Bro, Kobe got 350 million for 12 episodes.
Jeez.
Bro, when that came out, I was like, bro, this is the most top shit ever. I shorted, like, I bought so many put options on Coinbase. What a fucking trade.
Oh, is that why you put on the Coinbase trade?
Yeah. I mean, I was kind of embarrassed, but like when I saw that, I was like, yo, this is retarded. Like, how stupid a fucking is this shit?
That
Like,
is.
you're coming into the this whole meta at the end of it. Like, you were supposed to buy this shit or build this shit yourself way before. I'm like, why are you giving Kobe this fucking massive check? Sure, a lot of it was stock, but still, like, bro, about so many put options. Oh my god, we cooked.
Smart. I also didn't understand why they didn't just build this thing. And then they came out right after and did the Monad ICO on Coinbase, which, like, I know Echo's not an ICO.
What's that at? Isn't that down a lot?
I don't know, 2 cents, bro.
We would have this discussion today. Like, there's not really been a successful ICO now. Like, Pump Fun, back below ICO price. Monad, I think, is above ICO price, but it's just, like, only just.
But down from the highs a lot, or no? I haven't looked.
Monad never really had highs. You know, it
like garbage. Barachain, remember that shit? Stark, Barachain. Barachain was supposed to be like the next big thing. But I think Mega Eat's gonna go the same way.
I like those guys. I like the Mega.
Sure, I'll say I like him too, but that doesn't mean.
Yeah, ICOs do not seem like a way for people to make money. That's
Mega ETH is 1 billion FDV though. I mean, it's a little different.
Yeah,
I think it'll be okay.
I guess that's on the lower side. Fine.
Okay, yeah.
And there's no one to sell tokens, really. You know, like it's all basically community raise. But yeah, I mean, it's still going to struggle. It's not...
Tokens will be found.
No one's got any tokens.
Tokens are always found to sell. That's one thing I've learned in crypto. Tokens show up. They show up somehow to sell. Like, yo, bro, no one's got tokens. Like, yo, why price going down?
Got some tokens. Found some.
They found more token, guys. God damn it. The sellers found them.
That's a good point.
OSF used to always say that about Rekt. He'd always be like, no one's got any fucking tokens, mate. And then it just dropped them. I'd be like, well, where the fuck did those just come from?
Yeah, exactly. Well, someone found some tokens, bro. Well, that's like the biggest, like, funny thing. Like, that's a great narrative from, like, a builder standpoint. Be like, guys, this is going to be great. No one's got any tokens. Yeah. And, like, see that red cover, like, where'd that come? Like, oh, then you say it's the market makers, guys. They're just working on price efficiency.
100%. Yeah, market makers sold a little bit.
Yeah, yeah. Which, like, is... Like, by definition, I mean, I don't even know if it's still true or not. Market makers have no directional risk. Like, but like, it's such a good way to put all the blame on market makers. Like, oh, bro, Wintermute just fucking I didn't do anything. But like, yo, bro, they're just buying, selling spread.
Flow, do they? They still don't get that flow, which is like, what Wintermute owns coins. Why are they buying coins and fucking with my coin? No. What has happened there is someone from the team has OTC'd their coins to Wintermute, who are now shorting.
Exactly.
They're like, oh, Wintermute's fucking with my coin. No,
Wintermute doesn't have any coins to sell.
Coins to Wintermute.
Dude, this is like the most retarded thing I've been hearing all fucking year. Yo, market makers are dumping on us. I was like, bro, do you know what market making is? It's spread. They're clipping spread. Yeah, when you want to dump as like an insider, you give it to Wintermute. It's like, bro, can you unwind this for me? And then you see Wintermute dumping, and you're like, but that's not Wintermute dumping. It's one of the fucking insiders or whales. Like, I did that for a bunch of coins. I was like, bro, I'm not gonna sit there and fucking press sell.
If I'm a whale in a meme coin, they'll tell you to sell them through.
Yeah, no, for sure, because they're gonna be way more efficient. But they're still gonna sell like aggressively, but it'll be more efficient than me sitting there hitting swap like every fucking hour, like for like 10 days.
On Goat, I owned a fuck ton, and like they were like, oh, people are selling through Wintermute, and I was like, the whole of the market thinks that Wintermute are fucking with this coin, and actually it's just all the top holders plus the fucking team plus whoever.
Yeah, it's just efficient selling. That's all it is. Because they'll sell into bids. Because like they'll be like, listen, we'll just make one side of the market, and then the other side, like if you get lifted, it'll be your coin getting lifted. So we don't have to worry about that risk. And so anytime on the bids, they'll take it, and then they just instantly dump. Like if they get hit on risk, they're instantly dumping. Like
normally they'll price it like they'll do a TWAP out, right? So they'll price it like 20% back, let's say, for like sides, and then they'll just TWAP it out over the next.
That's how they make money, right? Like they're unwinding for you, they'll take a nice spread, like as they should. But it's never been Wintermute selling off their own ever, or like, bro, Wintermute's buying. Like, none of that. It's someone's out there through Wintermute buying, or whatever market maker it is, buying and selling it. Like, at no point. Same with Fartcoin. It was not Wintermute selling at any point. Like, it was because all the tokens they get, first of all, is on loan, right? Speaking of which, also, how the fuck do we get our loans back?
Yeah, fuck me,
bro. I've given so many loans to you too,
dude. Of course.
Where it's 1 year. It's done the year. Where's their fucking money?
No one's got any tokens. The classic. No one's got any tokens before the
no one's got any tokens, bro. We had 1 year of lockup. Like, I mean, yeah, they're down like 80-90%, but we gave like 200K clips for loans. Where are those tokens?
They were like, look, we need to try and get some tokens to get listed on these exchanges. Like, go to the wells, see if they have tokens. I was like, look, I'll help you guys out. No one's got any.
Yeah, same here.
No one's got any tokens. I'm here.
Where are these tokens now? They're like, 1 year contract. It's a loan, bro. It's not like we take it. Like, okay, where's my loan back with interest?
I got kicked out of the chat, so I don't know. Or at least
you asked and they kicked you out?
No, I think they just kicked us out.
You're just out?
Yeah, I'm out.
I need to hit up some of these Telegram chats, go get my loans before year end.
I probably did the same for Goat as well.
Mine was like Chill Guy, Popcat, Myro. I'll give loans a bunch on those.
Yeah, Goat team. I want my tokens back.
Who even is Goat team?
I'll find out.
Who knows?
I think I'm still in those chats at least.
I don't know for Chill Guy what the chat is anymore.
Are you in this? Are either of you in this synthetics competition? You guys?
No, I was not. They didn't give me the show. I'd love to be in.
Unbelievable.
Is it a new one? Second one?
Another one now. There's another.
Oh, really? They still didn't give me the show. Motherfuckers.
I don't know. I'm not in it. Should check my DMs.
Just short synthetics. You'll win. You'll win the competition. Not even kidding. You will legit win by shorting synthetic.
I got a shot at this one, guys. I was second for a while in the last one, and I'm 25th now.
Do nothing till like the last few days before.
I'm just max.
Yeah, who's in it? Go up. Let's see. Let's take a look.
You wouldn't know any of the names, basically. Chart food.
No, G Money came in number 1.
Yeah.
And Pharrell came in number 3.
The last one, though, it was a very different sort of challenge. It was like number 1 is $1 million. Number 2 is like 40K in an NFT. It was not.
Oh, what's it now?
Everyone was like going for number 1. So people were going max risk all the time. This time it's like, it's way more. First place is 200K.
Oh, okay.
So it's like,
Yeah, it's still nice. 200K. Little,
Well, this guy who runs it, you know about this guy, Kane Warwick?
Yeah, he's the Infinex guy.
Infinex guy.
Very polarizing.
He bought like the most expensive house in like Australia or something. Do you remember? Like,
no, what?
Do you not remember this?
He sold a $50 million penthouse in Manhattan.
This guy is like unbelievably wealthy.
Wait,
he's
pull
like
it up. Let's take a look.
OG wealthy. And I remember like back in the days when I fucking came in. Here we go. He bought a $36 million house in Manhattan. Looks like this guy's got a lot of money. So I think he's just like trying to build this off being a fucking Chad. Yeah. Kane Warwick has spent more than $33 million on Eastern Beach properties in a year, he says here. So I remember when it came out that he was doing all of this, like it was around the same time that maybe Synthetics was making a lot of money.
Oh, maybe I did hear something like this. Yeah.
The Warwick brothers are like in crypto, and I think the other guy was behind. There's Kieran Warwick, who is behind Illuvium, I think, the game. Do you remember the game Illuvium?
Oh, that was another good scam. That's a banger.
I don't think it was a scam. I think he did work on it, to be fair. But like, of
course they worked on it.
All those brothers made a lot of money.
That was up a lot. Like Illuvium, that was supposed to be like the big, like, what like kind of ape people, the Bored Apes wanted to do. Like Illuvium had like the best chance.
I am never investing in crypto gaming again. ever.
Oh my God.
Me and you.
Yeah, I'm done, bro. We just rugged each other on VC deals all year. Yo, bro, I got this great deal. Wiz, I got this great deal. Okay, bro, you buy mine, I buy yours.
We're going bang for bang on getting rugs here. Like, it is unbelievable the rugs that we have been involved in.
People think VC is like, oh, bro, these guys got VC insider deals. Bro, got raped on each and fucking every one of them. Every one, bro. It's not even like 100K investments. Token comes out, it's worth $12.
There's been so many of these, bro.
Yeah, like, so it looked like the greatest thing, bro. When we did it,
coins,
bro, this is like the L2, gaming token.
Privacy coins, Bitcoin L2s.
Oh my God, but I'm still mining Tari. Don't even remind me. Where is he, bro? How I don't even get it. How did Tari even do that, bro? They're just mining. Like, I don't even understand how Tari flopped like
they're actually working, but like some of these guys just fully shut down. Like, it was just like, yeah.
No, I don't know. Maybe the others are too.
Tari's
What's revolving games do?
Tari's a $7 million FDB right now.
Who? What is? 7 million is what? Tari? Stop! I'm gonna stab you, bro. That was you. You and OSF. No, that's all you and OSF. I'm gonna fucking stab you guys, bro. This is gonna be the next big thing. This is the next Bitcoin. Kids are gonna be mining this in their fucking dorm rooms.
You got me in, man. What were the gaming ones you got me in?
Revolving games.
Revolving games. No, there was another one as well. What was the one where they just shut down the company and created like an alternative one?
No, not me. What? Which one?
There was a game. Remember, there was a game came out and you bought the NFTs of it. It was like a gaming NFT.
Oh, no. I know what you're talking about. No, I don't. They gave NFTs.
Yeah.
What was it called?
Bro,
you invested in it, not me.
I invested in it too because of you, dude.
No.
Yes.
No, what was the one NFT? No, there was an NFT company that
there was a game coming out. I think it was like an Avalanche.
There's a Telegram chat. Fuck, what was the name? They were like a shitty NFT. Pixelmon. Yeah. You made me go into Pixelmon.
Pixelmon was different.
No, you made me go into Pixelmon. 100%. I actually had to beg for allocation because you hyped it up, which is disgusting that I had to do that. I had to beg for Pixelmon fucking allocation. I paid. I didn't even get free. I paid for fucking. Oh my God, I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Pixelmon, I had to beg for fucking.
You got
because
me
of you. You're like, yo, me and Ovi, we're gonna go into fucking Pixelmon. These guys, these lads, they're crushing it, bro. In your fucking garbage British accent. I'm like, okay, man. Can you ask? He's like, I don't know. They're fucking maxed out. But I think I know what you're talking about. The other one, those NFTs went up a lot. I forget the name though. That coin never came.
They
did it, or they just went down. I forget what it was.
No, it was wild. We need to get. By the end of this, I'm gonna find out what it was. But
yeah, I know. I think I know what you're talking about.
They raised for the game. They then took the money and created a different game, and then your game became a social media platform. It was like I remember like, what the fuck did they just do with my money? And then they
I don't remember this at all.
Oh,
but I do remember there was one NFT that we kept waiting for a token, and then I don't think the token ever came. Like each NFT was supposed to get like infinite money.
Dude, I'm gonna
Pixel Mando, man. No, Heroes of Mafia was good. I see somebody in the comments. That was a good investment. I got a clean like 15-20x on that. That was the fucking Clash of the
Mafia. Yeah, Mafia was one. That one.
Mafia was good. Mafia was actually good. Mafia was one of the last ones that was a good launch because Big Time started that meta. I printed on that. That was a fucking epic print. Mafia was a big print. Then we fucking doubled down on all these garbage fucking VC investments. Oh, what was the NFT? It's like
it was.
It was big. It was like 0.75 ETH. It was like the only NFT that pumped.
There was a chance for being something proper, I remember.
Yeah, they did.
But yeah, in general, me and you have just been rugging each other on fucking BC.
Yeah, VC investments all year. It's amazing.
It hasn't been good for either of our healths, I think. Look at where these things fucking come.
I should have just fucking put it more in Yeet and fucking Rekt. That's what I should have done. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Let's see. Maybe we'll find here. Bro, I remember buying Kodas for 40 ETH. Bro, me and KBM on launch day of other side. Oh, Azra. I was in on that. I actually never told you about Azra, so that's good. Loxies, Chronoforge. Far World? No. Pixel Farm, that was a good launch. That actually pumped.
I'll find it. It was known as being like one of the worst fucking rugs in crypto gaming.
No way. No way. The worst? That's an insane statement.
Oh yeah. It was. I've never seen a rug like it.
No, fucking. I bought Base Fish Mafia, bro. I thought that was the next 4 days. What are you talking about? Worst.
Oh fuck.
Remember that CPG that was supposed to be the next
time? Hold on. Shit. I need to go. Let me just tell. I'm meant to be on a fucking call with Rasmer right now.
Rasmer. You guys are fucking calling each other, bro. That's fucking.
Yeah, no more VC for me. No more fucking VC.
No, I'm done.
What was that NFT platform?
Oh my god.
That one was the worst.
Bro, no, that was bad. That was really no. That was you guys too. That was you guys. You're like, yo, bro. Yeah, hey, mate. I got this friend, mate. You know, he's a British lad. He's great. I trust him. You should get in. Oh my god.
Traderhead may be one of the worst situations.
No, that was bad. That was dead on launch.
Yeah, they like fucked up the LP.
Oh my god, everything. Our investment at one point on paper was up like $1 billion.
Yeah, they tried to launch the coin at like $600 million market cap, and then the LPs just like got smashed through as everyone was like, "This is not worth $700 million."
No, because they gave airdrops too. So
horrific.
This list is just depressing to look at.
And I'm gonna find it. All right, should we go to the prizes? We normally do this for an hour. It's been about an hour. I know we started a bit late. Thank you for coming on, Wiz. You've been fantastic as always. Intern, how do we want to do this? I've been reading in the comments. People have been having issues with the, or have we got it? Okay, we got 26 eligible. All right, cool. What are we doing?
People messaging me about the RSMR disc.
RSMR.
Oh, it's so good. Like, why the fuck are you having a...
Sergio. Sergio. Well done. Well done. Yes, again. Can't win twice. No, bro.
Sergio.
We won twice, both times. You run it in the background. I think let's get started on the show. Who's the third winner? Sure, this is provably fair. No.
Provably fair. Oh, here we go. Let's run it. Oh, Christmas. Oh, I didn't even see that. That's so cool.
Christmas theme. Let's do a grand. Let's do a grand, all right?
Yeah, let's go. Let's run it.
Okay. Who are we going to start? Let's do Nathan first. I saw you in the comments. Probably fair. Yeah, probably fair. We're going to go. I'm just going to run it for you. We're going to run it. I'll run one. Wiz will run one. Kook will run one. Okay.
Let's do it.
This is for nascent. Sergio will be next time. So let's do it 3 times. Remember, you win 500 if you get eaten. Okay. Once more. Once more. What are we thinking now, lads?
It's that's good.
No wolf, bro. It's good. It's Christmas. Easier.
Run it. Tracks. Let's go.
You want to keep going? Okay.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
One more. Let's go. 2 more.
Tracks, baby.
I mean, we're so close to the tracks here.
All right, go one more and stop. Fuck it.
One more stop.
Oh! That's a nice chunk of change.
All right, go it again.
I kind of look.
No. Yes,
Go!
Okay,
That's a nice chunk of change for someone.
we'll cash out. 2,500.
Yeah, cash out.
Well done, Sergio.
See?
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Send
Yes.
Wizard of Soho a tip for that. You saved your ass right there. Okay.
Good run.
Where's you drive now? We're doing this one for Sergio.
Let's do 2 before the tracks. Go till there.
Wow, we're getting lucky today.
Hey, stop. Don't jinx it.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Oh.
now let's think. What do we think?
there's no wolf, bro. It's easy. Tracks.
All right, run it. Let's do one more. All right, let's think now.
There's no wolf here, dude. I don't see a wolf.
I mean, I feel bad. This guy's got some good chunk of change.
Yeah. I mean, we could cash out and that'd be fucking.
Should we cash? Ask him. Can we ask him?
Yeah, what do you want to do here, Sergio?
Ask the guy.
Sergio, what do you
Sergio.
want to do?
That's a good chunk of change. He
said
said play safe.
Oh shit! Okay, let's
That shit.
let's cash it then.
Yeah,
Cash
play
it, bro.
safe. Cash out then. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's okay.
We played it well both times. We got another winner here.
Kook.
Who's
internal-
this one for?
I don't
What's
know
his
yet.
name?
Did we get another winner? Oh no.
Okay, go Alex.
Okay, go Alex. Oh, that's the number 1 on our leaderboard. He deserves it, to be honest. Cook, this guy has been. Yeah, let's go.
Is
Well
he
done.
in there? Is he in the chat?
Yeah, he
Alex,
is.
you in the
He
chat, bro.
watches every show. He's like,
There he is. Let's go. So you want to go aggressive? How do you feel, Alex?
he's a bit of a degen.
Is he a degen?
I
Okay,
mean,
let's start with 3.
Yeah. Start free. Start slow and steady.
I don't think the fucking wolf's here, guys. Where the
He's
fuck
leaving it
is
to
he?
me, bro. I honestly don't think the wolf is here. Just run it to the tracks. Fuck.
Oh,
Yes.
Oh, let's go. Okay, wait. Now you need to think a little bit. Because usually when you get that, that's been my strategy. When you get the help, it means the next one's a bomb. But I don't know.
Ooh,
we could cash if you want.
Give him the option. Give the guy the
cash it
option.
out. What's it? It's $1,000 bet. So and minimum 500. So he's winning.
So he's
15.
up 500 no matter what. But
Yeah.
give him the option. If he wants to go, go. If not,
Alex, you want to keep going to the track? What do you think? It's decent money.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice
exactly.
Christmas present. Nice Christmas present.
he said, "Kook, I'm leaving it
Tracks,
to
yeah,
you,
he
bro."
wants tracks. I like tracks. Just try
Alright,
to run
go
it all
for
the
it,
way to
brother.
the tracks, man.
Let's go.
Run it.
Let's go.
Run it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Run
There we
it.
go. I think it's gonna go.
One
All right, here we
more,
go.
Run it.
Yes.
Okay,
Let's
now
run it.
cut it
Let's
off.
run
man.
it. What do we think?
We've been too lucky. You got to cut it off. If I'm him,
Ask
I want
him,
the
ask
money.
him.
Alex, you want the money? What do you think?
Cash it.
Cash it. Okay.
Cash it. Let's go.
We have played phenomenally well here, guys. Well done.
Because you're not going to do one and stop. It would have been.
Well
it would have
done,
been
guys.
that. Nice
Phenomenal.
one. Let's go.
I think we
No,
gave out
that's what's up.
$7,000 prizes just then.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Fucking
that's crazy. Highly profitable to watch Rekt Radio and gamble on Yeet.
insane. All right, guys. Always a pleasure with you two. Thanks a lot. We will be back again hopefully next week.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'll be
Oh yeah, and go watch Wiz's stream. He's about to do the FOMC one, which is always a lot of fun. I'll probably play some Yeet on that too. All right,
I will
guys.
be there. I love it.
Bye, guys.
See you, boys.